Welcome back to my channel where I help women like you grow and monetize their podcasts. Yeah! This one's for the podcasters who have been in the game a bit and are looking to see the proof in the podcast pudding that their hard work is making an impact with their audience. Because who doesn't love a little social proof? And who doesn't love pudding? We read reviews before we try pretty much anything these days. Am I right? From the sushi spot on the corner to the facial rollers that follow me around Instagram. Just me? Ratings and reviews are a powerful currency in the podcasting space as well. Not only are you able to harness useful feedback from your current listeners, you'll be able to catch the eye of new listeners who are wondering if you're worth the hype. Spoiler alert, you are. Lucky for you, I'm here today with 4 of the best strategies to convert listeners to love notes. Get ready to start stockpiling reviews and spreading the word that your pod party is the place to be. Be sure to stick around till the end of this video, where I'll tell you the best way to keep tabs on all your listener love. If you're new here, I'm Popish, founder of The Wave Podcasting. The Wave helps women grow and monetize their podcasts. As a fellow podcaster, I get that maintaining a podcast can feel like a lot. And as a fellow overachiever, I go out of my way to learn all there is to know about podcasting and then condense it down on this channel into delicious, snackable lessons so that you don't have to. Well, there I go thinking about pudding again. If learning about crafting, producing, growing, and monetizing your podcast sounds useful, be sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button in the lower right and ring the bell notification so you can be alerted every time we have a new episode. Now, back to the quest for ratings and reviews. Let's dive right in. Step number 1, give your audience a clear how-to. When asking for ratings and reviews of your podcast or website, be sure to give details about how to do so. Not everyone is as tech savvy as you little baby genius. Plus, some directories like Apple Podcasts and Stitcher have ratings and reviews, while Pandora and Spotify don't. So make it clear for your listeners on how and where to review. We don't want them getting lost in the internet. It's scary in here. Step 2, ask existing friends and fans directly. Ask and you shall receive isn't just for genies and stuff. You've got to tell people what you want. Outright asking for ratings and reviews in a personal way will light a fire under those close to you who want to see you succeed. A direct message on social media or a personalized email can make way more of an impact than a mass ask on your Instagram story. Video or voice messages over social are even more effective. Make your ask in a kind and personal way, and don't forget about step 1, including the directions on how they can get there. Step 3, shout out listeners who leave reviews. Because who doesn't love the warm glow of the appreciation spotlight once in a while? Including a segment on your podcast where you read reviews and shout out your reviewers tells your listeners that you truly value their feedback and establishes a more personal connection. More listeners will be inspired to leave love notes knowing there's a chance you'll be thanking them in a future episode. Step 4, hold a contest or giveaway. You know, the good old-fashioned way, bribery. Everyone wins as long as you're doing your homework on the proper guidelines. Incentivize your listeners to leave ratings and reviews with a reward that's tailored to them. Be sure it aligns with your podcast's mission, and perhaps loop in a brand that your podcast can begin to partner with. Now, before giving you one of our favorite tools to track those reviews, if you've learned something on this episode, please hit the like button. Consider this me taking my own advice. For even more goods, check out my podcast, Podcast Like a Girl. I've linked to it in the description below. Bonus time! Since there are multiple platforms that take reviews, it can be hard to get the full picture. My Podcast Reviews is a site that allows you to see all of your ratings and reviews across platforms in one place. I find this to be way more convenient, time efficient, and a major mood booster. Let's go over those steps one more time with feeling. Step 1, give your audience a clear how-to. Step 2, ask existing friends and fans directly. Step 3, shout out listeners who leave reviews. And step 4, hold a contest or giveaway. That's it for this week, gals. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and new podcast for more essential podcasting tips. Check out some of our other videos, and if you have a question we haven't covered, let us know in the comments section below, and we just might create a whole video about it. Thanks for watching, keep podcasting, and enjoy the ride.